Las Vegas just leveled up. A brand new immersive district has landed next to Area 15, and its anchor is Universal's first year-round horror experience. If you thought the Strip had everything, think again. What is the Las Vegas Immersive District? Think of it as the off-strip cousin to the Strip, purpose-built for experiential entertainment, interactive art, live events, bars, dining, and tech-driven attractions. The city of Las Vegas confirmed the district's name and footprint, more than 35 acres just north of Area 15, with room for mixed-use development, new experiences, and future residents. Las Vegas, Nevada. Area 15 itself, home to Meow Wolf's Omega Mart and a rotating slate of pop-ups, has been expanding to host new venues, culinary options, outdoor games, and nightlife offerings tied into the district's debut. Recent updates highlight additional bars, plaza games, retail kiosks, and food concepts woven into the expansion. Location and how to visualize it. Drop a pin at Area 15, just west of the Strip, off I-15, and you're there. The new immersive district wraps around the existing campus and is planned to draw millions annually as it fills in. Translation: rideshare access is simple, parking is on-site, and you're minutes from the Strip without being stuck in it. At a high level, expect multiple haunted houses/mazes drawing from Universal's horror library and partner IPs, refreshed on a rolling basis. A signature bar experience that doubles as a scare zone and hangout between houses. Exclusive merch and seasonal overlays aligned with horror pop culture beats. How to plan your visit, smart tips. 1. Time of day and day of week. Midweek evenings deliver the best balance of energy and shorter waits. Weekends spike with locals and tourists pulling double duty between the Strip and Area 15. Keep an eye on Area 15's major event nights, which can swell foot traffic. 2. Ticketing. Universal launched advanced ticketing with opening day demand. Buy ahead for peak weekends or holidays. Consider add-ons if Universal offers express/priority access during high-volume periods. 3. Pair it with Area 15 hits before or after your scares, pivot to Area 15's bars and eateries, or pop into art and VR experiences a few steps away. The expansion added Midway Bar, Carousel Bar, Outdoor Game Depot/Gateway Plaza games, plus new food kiosks. Easy win for group nights. 4. Transportation. Rideshare staging at Area 15 is straightforward, parking is available on-site, but event nights fill fast. Check Area 15's site the day you visit for closures or private events. 5. Content creators. Venues vary on filming in houses. Get your exterior B-roll around the district's murals and sculptures and save interiors for official media zones and bars. Blue Loops update notes festival-style art pieces added with the expansion, gold for thumbnails. Why Vegas for a year-round horror park? 3 reasons. Tourism flow. Vegas hosts a constant stream of adults looking for marquee experiences off-strip. Operational flexibility. A controlled indoor venue allows seasonal overlays without weather or regional seasonality. Ecosystem fit. Area 15's audience already shows up for immersive, art meets nightlife concepts. A permanent horror anchor plugs directly into that culture. What else is new around the district? Area 15's expansion is more than one tenant. Alongside Universal Horror Unleashed, the district rolled out new bars, outdoor games, and food add-ons designed to keep guests on property longer. The strategy: arrive for one headliner, stay for the night.